Hi everyone, my name is Jerrell with Live More Stress Less Training, and I will be your movement coach with MyOptimalHealth. All right everybody, so it's been a slow day and you know you want to get a workout in, but you got the kids, you got to cook, and you got a few minutes. So here's something you can do for 10 minutes, get your heart rate up and get you going for the night, okay? So first one we're gonna do is some jump rope. So you don't actually have to have a jump rope. Let's get going. Good. So this first one's gonna be for a minute. And you can have both feet jumping. You can go back to 4. Okay, you can do 1 foot. It's up to you, okay? So that was your first one. Next one we're gonna do is jump squats, okay? So I know you're like, what do I do first? Doesn't matter. You can squat first, you can jump first, okay? Let's try it out. Here, nice and low. And just make sure you point your toes as you come up. And this one will be for 60 seconds as well. Beautiful. Now just walking in place, keeping your heart rate up. This will be considered your break, okay? It's called an active break. So you can get your water as well, go to your water, go answer your kids' questions, come right back, okay? So the next one we're gonna do, side kick, front kick. So here, we're gonna do 30 seconds on this one. Maybe you're like, oh, my kicks aren't perfect. Doesn't matter, you're just moving, just getting active, okay? Good. A little active break. Now we're gonna do the other side. You're gonna hear some hips popping. It's all good, it's supposed to be happening, right? If it was perfect, you wouldn't be on here. It's all good. Just have fun with it. Good, finish it 30 seconds strong. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. Active break still. Come in here, okay? Now we're going into our jumping jack, into our punch. So it's gonna be jumping jack. Another drill you could do is jumping jack, 10 punches. Beautiful. Stay with me, stay with me. Or you can up your jumping jacks and then just do 2 punches. Just have fun with it, it's fine, okay? Now, active break for your last one. Good, now we're gonna do our squat pose. Squat hold at down low to end, okay? So it's gonna be a nice, you're aiming for 30 seconds, come up, and then 30 seconds again. So come on, 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You come up, then do another 30 seconds, okay? Try it out for me. Try this whole routine. See if you can go without stopping. Let us know what you think.